having a cold. No, not that cold. This one. Yes, this one. And that's not that bad. And you're lucky because not all the people on Earth have a cold at the same time. But what if it did happen? Everyone had a cold and sneezed at the same time in March 18th, 2017. Okay, let's not keep some specific dates over here, okay? So, let's start this disgusting weird challenge. So anyone at sports competitions will always sneeze, and then maybe Nessie might also sneeze and lose the soccer game, right? Yeah, and the audience, right? And imagine how much germs and snot will get in the air then, and that'll not be good. Anyone who is driving on the road when everyone was sneezed, there'll be lots of car accidents on the road because everyone closes their eyes when they get a sneeze, right? So then they won't see that in front of them there's a car approaching, and that might cause car accidents or car crashes to come much, much more often. And if you're on public transport, some boogers might come out and fall on someone's face, which is weird and which is feared and which is not a dialogue. And then, wow, the achoo will be so loud, especially if you're in like some soccer stadium. It'll be really loud and you're maybe 1,000,000,000 decibels or something. That's so loud. Okay, Mr. Loud. Hey, Mr. Loud, get out of here. Okay, so yeah, bye. And wow, all that sneezes might make a cloud above in the air. This cloud might have 40,000 droplets of mucus over a stadium on this March 18th, 2017 International Sneeze Day. And it's of course not day all over the world. It's night somewhere. So then imagine that you have to be woken in the middle of the night and sneeze just for one sneeze. Hey, ever sneezed and then your cat has got scared? Then imagine all the birds flying up into the sky and running away. Now imagine how many germs will get in the air. They might catch a flu after the March 18th. And then if you're watching a news interview when the sneeze thing happens, the news person will be coughing like anything at the same time an angle with you. And then people from other countries will be telling, where were you when the International Sneeze Day or March 18th, 2017 broke out? And now imagine how much snot that thing will collect. There will be a snot cloud up in the air, which will be, disgusting. My God. So disgusting. Hey guys, bye-bye. Subscribe to our channel, press the notification bell, give a like. Good night.